Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a real quick version of highlighting and contouring. It's super easy. So I have my primer on. I have used my, oh goodness, I have to get it. My Touch liquid foundation. And I use the color Chiffon. And I have also, oh my goodness, that's so far away. I've also put on my Touch powder, my pressed powder, and that's also in Chiffon. And now I'm going to take my beachfront bronzer, and I'm going to take the darker side on my blending bud, and I use the color Malibu, which I believe is the middle one. And what I'm going to do is, I have a big forehead. I mean, look at that. The thing's massive. So I'm going to take my bronzer and go right along here, and it's gonna look like war paint for a minute, so just bear with me. And then, because I have a fat nose too, big forehead, fat nose, I'm gonna go along the sides of my nose, and now I'm gonna just like that, follow your cheekbones. Both sides, and then under your jawline, because that actually kind of lifts right there. And now I'm going to blend, because you don't want those crazy lines. And this is the larger of the two Younique. You can see I use it a lot. This is the larger of the two Younique blending buds. So just blend like crazy. And now I'm going to take my smaller one, the pretty pink one. It's not so pink anymore because I use it a lot and I haven't washed it this week. And I'm going to take my concealer in Organza, which is one of our lightest colors. And I'm just going to put that right there on my hand. It doesn't take much. It's, not a whole lot. Now I'm going to make a V on my forehead. I'm going to bring it down the bridge of my nose. A little more. Right here. I'm going to make like a check mark under my eye and across my cheek, the top of my cheekbone. I'm going to highlight right there for the Cupid's bow, my chin, and along my jawline. So yet again, I look like I have war paint on, but we start blending. Okay, so you can still kind of tell where I put it, but now I'm going to take, again with my pressed powder, I'm going to open a little door. I'm going to take my powder puff, and I'm going to set everything that I just did. Oh, Gotta put tools away. And this was, isn't that super cute? It was one of our kudos for Younique. Love it. I use it all the time. Now, to accentuate the highlights, if you want to go like super accentuated, you can use our cream, and it takes just a little bit. And just rub it on. I do not have our cream to powder one, the stick, but I have the cream and I have the powder. And with the powder, I'm going to take my fan brush and just brush it right along where we did those highlights. And if I really want to make this pop, I can put the powder on top of the cream. I know my lighting is not the greatest, but that is a super easy highlight and contour. The finishing touch to this, this is our Kudos blush. It's limited edition. It is Serene. I'm going to take my blush brush and just work my way up my cheekbones. All done. Super easy, quick, simple, and you have your highlight and contour all done. Bye guys.